Yeah, I'm recording right now. I'm gonna go snipe these freaking boxes. It's not easy. I'm using a camera, and it's recording my voice. Oh, sweet shot! I actually got the box. Okay, can we get this one? Oh, double! I'm sniping this crap. Oh, triple! I hit all three without a miss. Yeah, sorry. Ah, crap. But seriously, I'm recording this right now, and I actually sniped all of the boxes from the high shelf with only a Punisher pistol. Max, I dare you to try and do that. Try to hit the boxes on the cliff before going down on the rope. Wait, you're already in that area. No, if you already got the guy's head popping out, then you're already there. Oh, okay, so you're at the merchant's area. I'm just, because you said the Lost Plaza settled in, and I thought you were talking about the head coming out. Oh, okay, here comes one of my favorite parts. When all the guys come after you after hitting that switch to get rid of the waterfall, just jump all the way backwards, turn around, have the shotgun equipped, and wait for them to get to the first or second box, and you can knock them off with one shot. It's fun. See that? I took out a whole bunch with one shot. Oh, look, they're all gone. They're all gone. Yes, sirree, they're all gone. They're all gone. They're all gone. Why am I singing a stupid thing? Whatever.